we're in a very difficult situation, and none of us thought, I think this time last year, that we'd be here again talking about essentially the same thing. But I think that we're trying to have a sense of business as usual, while putting restrictions in place to make sure that everybody stays as safe as possible, be that in terms of a student in school, be that somebody at work, or indeed those in the service industry. The biggest thing really is in relation to those that are unvaccinated, and we know that we've one of the highest vaccinated rates in the world at 93%, but of the 7% that are unvaccinated, they're taking up 48% of the hospital spaces, and they're taking up 52% of the ICU beds. So I think there's a very clear lesson in that. Apart from that, of course, we all have to look at our own personal responsibility. We all have to cut our social contacts, as the doctor has said, and maintain all the different levels of hygiene that we have.
Sure, but